Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing the chapter that is manufacturing industry. We have discussed air pollution. Now, water pollution we have to discuss. Due to these industries, the some rivers they are uh, polluting by a release of chemicals from factories. We are having so many examples. Okay, which chemicals we are the releasing in a particular industries. These water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste that will be discharged into the directly to the rivers. The main important industries those are the paper, pulp, chemical, textile, dyeing, petroleum, thinners, and electro paddling industries. These they let out the dyeing detergents, acids, salts, and heavy metals like lead, mercury, pesticides, fertilizers, synthetic chemicals, with the carbon, plastics, and rubber, etc. They will lead to directly water bodies. Along with that, the some rather than this, the fly ash and phosphorus and gypsum, they will release gypsum and iron, steel, slags were major solid waste in India. So when they will release, it is a difficult for the water living beings, the organics organisms which they are the living in water, and this water it is unable to use for to the agriculture also and for to the drinking purpose also. They are polluting the very important resources that is a water body. So it is a difficult for to the people to use that water resource for to the agriculture or a drinking purpose or other uses. For reference you can refer a 10th grade textbook. Thank you.